This is Kent at KJS Painting and Renovations, and I'm back again at the Masonic Lodge to fix I guess it's one of these SLOAN valves. It's like a commercial flush urinal, and I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, first thing we do is shut off the water, and this was hand tight. So to do that, we go clockwise. This is not flushing. To shut this off, let's see. Well, shoot. It was barely open. Maybe this is the problem. Maybe some fool turned the water off. Let me open up the water. Let's see if it stops flushing. Oh, maybe that's what happened. It wouldn't stop flushing, so somebody just shut the water off. That just will not stop running, huh? Maybe that's... okay. Well, we're gonna take this apart. So we got a channel lock for that, right? Make sure the water's off. Oh man, it's tight. Okay, I'm gonna put down the camera. You know, I don't want to jerk on that, so you want to use two hands to put some counterforce on this. Okay, this is coming off. Let's see what this looks like. Got my flashlight here. Okay. Well, let's see. Go just, yep, I mean, what's that look like here? Looks like it's got a little wear on it. I think it might be worth it to replace it and see if it just fixes the problem. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's looking a bit degraded here. Okay. Let's see. Oh, look at that. The little, maybe I could just put that piece back in there. Or maybe it fell out when it came out. I don't know. Maybe I just replaced this thing. Okay, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna take this to, there's a place called Cal Steam. It's a commercial like plumbing supply. I don't think you're gonna get this at Home Depot or Lowe's or something. So I'm gonna bring this with me. It's got some handy instructions here on the side. This is what it looks like. And I think this is here what was happening, right? Like, this is like one piece, you know? The other one was not one piece. It was a couple of pieces, and one was laying down on the bottom of that valve. So let's put this in. Okay, let's inspect for dirt, debris. Damn, that looks pretty clean. So, all right. I kind of like these commercial jobs. They're easier than the, what do they call it? Residential toilets. Let's see, that just goes in. That looks good. Then there's our cap, this one here. Let's see. That's good. Okay, and this one goes on. It doesn't have to be too tight, just snug. Okay, take the channel lock. Although it was pretty tight when I got here, so I'm gonna put the camera down so I can use two hands. I'll reach over here with the other hand and put some counterforce on this so I don't hurt it. Okay, got the cap on. It's not too tight, just snug. And so now we're gonna open the water. It's counterclockwise. Okay. Just opening. Oh, look at that. It's not running. And let's try it out. Wow, nice flush. Drain's working. One more. Just give it a little There we go. It doesn't need to be too tight. Last thing is let's inspect for leaks here. Make sure that there's no leaks. This is good. Okay, I think this job's done. This has been Kent at KJS Painting and Renovations, and I'm here again at the Masonic Lodge. Got one of these SLOAN, what is this? This is a urinal flushometer repair kit, segment diaphragm drop-in A43A. And yeah, if you need some help with any sort of plumbing, please give me a call.